Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a NuSet quick set keyway. It's a Euro format padlock. For those of you interested in these, I think you can get them for like two of these for $30 on Amazon right now. Oh no, I'm sorry, eBay. And I don't know why it's not locking back. There we go. But this is a KW1 keyway. I figured we'd keep working with these JimyLongs picks since he was nice enough to send them out. Alright, 5's binding. Alright, I think 5 set, 4. Five, 4, 3. Give it a little bit more tension. All right, 5, 4, 3. I think 1's good now. There we go. Oop. Well, we dropped the tensioner, but we'll use this one. Alright. Might as well gut it. Just because, why not? I can show off the padlock to anybody who's possibly interested in it. Alright. I think this is too big. Yeah, that'll work. You just remove the screw. Turn your core. Turn it counterclockwise to pull the core out. And now you got a lock body if you want to stick Euro profile cylinders in there. If you got to pick Euros or want to pick them in hand. I really wouldn't suggest these for anything you want to lock up. Honestly, the ball bearings are just that have cut that shackle way too thin for me. I think it was Dusty and Wendy that pointed that out, if I can remember correctly. But do we really want to gut this and take the cam off? I don't think we do. Either way, we got to show how to disassemble the padlock for anybody interested. Like I said, if you guys want to grab some of these, they're on eBay. Like I said, I think it's 2 for $30, something like that. So the important thing is JimyLongs hook did what it's supposed to do, picked good feedback. Not a great lock, but what do you expect? Alright guys, thanks for watching.